Okay, this is the beginning of 5.8. 5.8 deals with fractional coefficients. We're doing problem solving, fractional coefficients. So I'm going to do a couple problems of the two different types you'll see. The first, our objective here is to solve equations and inequalities having fractional coefficients. First problem, do x squared over 2 equals 2x over 15 plus 1 over 10. Now, we do these by finding the least common denominator. Between 2, 15, and 10, that's 30. So I'm going to multiply everything by 30. When I do that, I get 30x squared over 2 equals 60x over 15 plus 30 over 10. I got to distribute it everywhere, and so I distribute it here, here, and here. Okay, and that takes care of it. Now I can simplify some stuff. That's 15x squared equals 4x plus 3. Now it's a quadratic, so that means get everything by itself. 15x squared minus 4x plus 3. This is factorable. We use the bridge method. Okay, 15 times 3 is 45. Factors of 45. That add to -4 or -9 and 5. So I have 15x squared minus 9x plus 5x plus 3. Remember these things, that's equivalent. Okay, so that's why we're doing that. Okay, so I've got, looking here, look for my GCF is a 3x. And then I have what left over? I have 5x minus 3. And then this right here should be minus 3, and that equals 0. Left off a few things there. So that makes this a minus 3. Okay, and so we end up with 1 times 5x minus 3. Remember, all this still equals 0, equals 0. So we get 3x plus 1 times 5x minus 3 equals 0. 0 product property says 3x plus 1 equals 0. 5x minus 3 is equal to 0. So I subtract 1, and then divide by the 3. So I get negative 1/3. I add 3, then divide by 5. So I get x is equal to 3/5. And that is your answer. Okay, that's the first one we'll do. All right, let's look at the second one. Okay, second one is x squared over 9 minus x over 6 minus 1/2 equals 0. So LCD of 9, 6, and 2, straightforward, that's 18. Okay, so 18 divided by 9 is 2x squared. 18 divided by 3 is 3x, or 18 divided by 6 is 3x. 18 divided by 2 is minus 9 equals 0. You can use the bridge method again. Oops, not all the way. 2 times -9. 2 times -9 equals -18. Factors of -18 that add to -3. -6 and 3. So we get -6x plus 3x. Alright, that's minus 9. That's 2x squared. Remember this stuff here. That's all equivalent. Okay, I can pull out a 2x, and I'm left with x minus 3. I can pull out a 3, and I'm left with an x minus 3. And then I've got a 2x plus 3, x minus 3. That equals 0. Take each piece, set it equal to 0. And so I get 2x equals -3, x equals -3/2, or x is equal to 3. And those are your answers for those problems. We'll take the other type of problems in the next video for part 2 of 5.8.